Before the video begins, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe, and it takes me hours and hours to complete these drawings, and I would really appreciate it. But while you're at it, if you do end up subscribing, then make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. But other than that, everybody, enjoy the rest of the video.
after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening? These are some of the things we expect with summer. Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening? These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like the video and also make sure to comment what you thought of the drawing. I reply to everybody, so don't be afraid to comment. Also, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe. And also, everybody share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Hope you all enjoyed this Bokuto drawing as much as I did. He's honestly one of my favorite characters in Haikyuu. And also, for this drawing, I wanted to add a different touch to it by adding a realistic owl in the background. And I honestly think it came out really cool. I'm going to be leaving my other videos in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find an anime character that I've drawn that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.